Have you ever heard big, complicated words about money? Don't worry. Our friend, Sparky, is here to help us understand the 5 most important words in finance the easy way. Are you ready, Sparky? Let's go. First up, we have the word asset. An asset is all the valuable things you own. Think about your favorite toys, the money in your piggy bank, or even a house. These are all assets because they have value. Look at Sparky.
He's found a shiny treasure chest full of goodies.
That's his asset. Next, let's talk about liability. This word might sound a bit tricky, but it's simple.
A liability is something you owe to someone else.
It's like when you borrow a toy from a friend and you have to give it back. Or, for grown-ups, it could be a bill they have to pay. See? Sparky looks a little confused by that IOU note. A liability is a promise to pay something back. Now for a really fun word. Income. Income is all the money you get. It could be from your allowance, a gift from your grandma, or for adults, the money they earn from their job. Yay! Look at all those shiny coins raining down. Sparky is so happy to see all that income. More income means more money to save or spend. But when we spend money, that leads us to our next word, expense. An expense is what you spend your money on. When you buy a delicious ice cream, a new video game, or a cool comic book, that's an expense. Hoopsit! Watch out, Sparky! Those coins are flying away to buy a super yummy treat. It's fun to have expenses, but we have to be careful not to spend too much. And that brings us to our final and most important word, budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you decide how much of your income you will spend on expenses and how much you save. It's all about finding the right balance. Look at Sparky, helping to balance the scale. We have income on one side and expenses on the other. A good budget makes sure your income is bigger than your expenses. So, let's review. An asset is what you own. A liability is what you owe. Income is the money you get. And an expense is the money you spend. And a budget is your plan to manage it all. You did it. Now you know the 5 most important words in finance. Thanks for learning with us and our little friend Sparky. If you had fun and want to see more adventures, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.